P. This is the letter P. P for parrot. P for penguin. P for panda. P for pear. P for peach. P for pineapple. P for picture. P for pillow. P for piano. P for pasta. P for pizza. P for potato. Parrot, penguin, panda. Pear, peach, pineapple. Picture, pillow, piano. Pasta, pizza, potato. This is the family of letter P.